Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Sulfur in Subnautica 2 so you can make some advanced warren kits. And to begin, you want to go from the life pod towards east direction, about 500 or 400 meters. Also, you'll need to have the heat tolerance adaptation, which you can check out on my channel how to get. And here you should find a biome where there is going to be raised temperature. Inside of this biome, you can find nodes of sulfur, which are going to look like these kind of yellowish rocks. As you can see, on this coral structure, there is some sulfur. You can break it down. And you want to go around this whole place, and you should find plenty of sulfur. Also, another good place to find many sulfur really fast is by going from the life pod about 230 meters towards southeast or east direction. It is going to be located at the border of the heat biome. And here you don't really need the heat adaptation, but it is going to be useful. As you can see, I am getting 70 degrees just by going near the sulfur. So you can go 250 meters towards southeast direction or east from the life pod, and here you should find plenty of sulfur, which you can mine with the sonic resonator. So this is pretty much all how to get sulfur in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.